What's up guys, today's video is on the best cat litter boxes. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Nature's Miracle Litter Box. Looking for something more budget-friendly? Look into this advanced high-sided cat litter box by Nature's Miracle. Because of its high walls, litter remains in the box. It's not just that, the non-stick antimicrobial material helps prevent caking and buildup and makes cleaning the litter box a breeze. The litter box is large enough, making it perfect for large cats as well as families with several pets. It's also a great option for cats who don't prefer closed boxes. Number 2. Litter Robot 3 Connect Ramp. If you're willing to pay the cost of the item, the Litter Robot 3 can make your cat more relaxed and your life simpler. Its automatic self-cleaning system means that you won't need to scoop, and your cat will be able to clean litter each when they enter. A large chamber and an upward-facing entrance give this litter box that has an inviting, comfortable and open-air feeling. We also like the fact that the weight sensor self-adjusting detects cats of different sizes and then disposes of the waste in a convenient drawer at the end of each usage. Number 3. Petmate Clean Step Cat Litter. Buddha Dome Clean Step stands out from other litter boxes available on the market. The igloo-style design and the hooded top offer privacy to your cat while holding litter and removing unpleasant odors. If your cat has a habit of kicking or leaving tracks litter all over the house, this litter box is an excellent method to keep the area clean. The cat litter box is 50% bigger than other litter boxes of this type. However, its sleek design and appealing exterior design allow it to blend seamlessly into the decor of your home. It comes in several shades of pearlescent, such as pearl white, brushed nickel and titanium. Number 4. PetSafe ScoopFree Self-Cleaning Litter. ScoopFree Litter Box. ScoopFree Litter Box is another outstanding automatic choice. Similar to the litter robot, it also features a self-cleaning system which allows you to take weeks between cleaning, scooping and refilling the box. Safety sensors also make sure that it does not scoop until your pet is gone from the litter box. The model is made up of a specific crystal litter which is odor-free that absorb liquids and removes solid waste. Furthermore, the disposable trays come with an impervious plastic lining that are able to be changed every couple of weeks. Number 5. Omega Paw Self-Cleaning Litter Box. If you've more than one cat wandering about your house, we suggest Omega's Paw Roll and Clean, particularly the big size. The litter box lets to scoop up garbage that is clumped and then place it into a tray that is built in. If it's time to clean up, just flip upside down, then roll it back into its upright position, then lift the tray and dispose of the garbage. Although this isn't as easy as a completely automated box, it makes it easier to get rid of solid waste without having to remove the lid of the box. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.